Good day. In this video, I share the basic and the most important part that we need to know on board to learn and to know how overload relay works and the causes why overload relay trips and its operation. Let's go. In our situation, our paint room fan is overload trip. Then there is a reset on the overload and then disconnect. For me, it's convenient for me to disconnect the line side, the load side, I mean line 1, line 2, line 3, and then turn on the breaker. After that, we need to test the starter, okay, without motor. The running light is lit and it means the contactor is activated. Start natin ulit. Okay, let's see the contactor itself when pressing start button. Press start, and then as we can see, the contactor is activated. We will check the output, line output going to the motor. Line 1, line 2, 73 AC, volt AC. Then line 1, line 3, 440. Means there is one line missing, maybe line 1 or line 2. 73, line 2 and line 4, line 2 and line 3. 74, the load side, the input side, the contactor, the line side, line 1, line 2. 77 means the contactor is good because we get the same reading, input and the load side. We will check in the contactor, input side 440, 445, 445, line 1, line 2, line 2, line 3, 445. Then input side, that is the supply side. This is the output of the breaker. Line 1, line 3, 440. Then line 1, line 2, 76. It means the breaker is the problem because the input side is 440, line 1, line 2, line 3, and then the output of the breaker is 77, line 1, line 2. Okay, in this scenario, we check the output of the contactor is good, but in the output going to the contactor came from the breaker, the line 2 is broken. That's why line 1 and line 3 is 440, we get 440 volts, and then line 1 and line 2 76. That's why line 2 is broken. In the scenario, we locate the problem, one line missing, that is the line 2. That's why the overload relay trips. Okay, that is the one reason that we found. And next step, we check the motor. Okay, we use fluke tester, insulation tester, and then ground to ground. Okay, 0. The reading is 0. And then line and the one probe are hung. Then 550 because the range is 500. We set the range as 500. Okay, we disconnect the motor side. We will check the motor, the fan. Okay, check the fan motor. Okay, press the test, and then 550, it's good. Next, line 1, 550, 550. Then next, the reading is 550, good insulation. Line 3 for the motor, 550. Okay, the fan motor is good. The result of the insulation for our motor fan is good And take note, if the motor is stuck up, that is caused also a overload trip. I have here a new model of breaker, and the important is we set the new breaker to its original setting. This is a new model compact Schneider. Okay, and then after this we installed, and then that's it. We found out that this is the main problem. Okay, after we install this one, we will try actual. Then we turn on, and then that's it. Recap the common problem on board why overload relay trips. First, the bearing, the motor is stuck. Next, the power line, one of that line is missing, also overload trips. Okay, that is the common reason, or the basic or usual reason that we encountered on board. Okay, thank you. I hope you learned from it, and thanks for watching. And shout out to my gassy, my friend gas engineer, who helped me always. Last thing to do is to test the test button and reset button. We will start the fan and then test button trip. Okay, the red button, and then reset is at the top. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Barco TV. Adios!